morning, students. Today we solve one example problem. Example number 4, page number 67. Show that the circuits x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0 and 5 into x square plus y square minus 8x minus 14y minus 32 is equal to 0 touch each other and find the point of contact. Find the point of contact. Here we prove that two cases. First one is show that the circuit touch each other. Second one is find the point of contact. Find the point of contact. If two circuits touch each other internally or externally. Internally or externally. If C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, if two circuits touch each other externally, if C1 C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2, the given two circuits touch each other internally. Touch each other internally. This is the first circuit. C1 is the center, R1 is the radius of the first circuit. This is the second circuit. C2 is the center, R2 is the radius of the second circuit. If two circuits touch each other externally, if C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. If two circuits touch each other internally, C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. First of all, here we find the C1 R1, C2 R2 and C1 C2. C1 C2. Find the centers and radius of the given circles. First circle is equation of the first circle. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g. 2g is equal to minus 4. G is equal to 2 1 2 2 G is equal to minus 2. Y coefficient 2f. 2f is equal to minus 6. F is equal to 2 1 2 3 F is equal to minus 3. Again constant C is equal to minus 12. Find the center of the first circle. First circle center C1 is equal to minus G comma minus F. C1 is equal to minus G. G is equal to minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 comma minus F. F is equal to minus 3 minus into minus plus. Here C1 is equal to 2 comma 3. Second one, radius. R1 is equal to radius formula under root of g square plus f square minus c. R1 is equal to g square minus 2 whole square plus f square minus 3 whole square minus c. C is equal to minus 12 minus into minus plus 12 under root. R1 is equal to minus 2 whole square plus 4 plus minus 3 whole square plus 9 plus 12 under root. R1 is equal to 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 12 25. Root 25 means 5. Therefore R1 is equal to 5. This is the center. This is the radius of the first circle. Again, find the center and radius of the second circle. Equation of the circle is 5 into x square plus y square minus 8x minus 14y minus 32 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation. Here, first of all, given equation transformed into general form. Transformed into general form. Here, 5 common. 5 common. 5 into x square plus y square minus 8 by 5x minus 14 by 5y minus 32 by 5 is equal to 0. Taking 5 right side, 0 by 5, 0. X square plus y square minus 8 by 5x minus 14 by 5y minus 32 by 5 is equal to 0. This is the general form. Second equation comparing with general equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to minus 8 by 5. G is equal to 2 1 the 2 4 the minus 4 by 5. Y coefficient 2f is equal to minus 14 by 5. F is equal to 2 1 the 2 7 the minus 7 by 5. Constant C is equal to minus 32 by 5. Again find the center and radius of the second circle. Center formula minus g comma minus f minus g. G is equal to minus 4 by 5 minus into minus plus 4 by 5 comma minus f. F is equal to minus 7 by 5 minus into minus plus 7 by 5. Next one, radius. Radius R2 is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R2 is equal to g square minus 4 by 5 whole square plus f square minus 7 by 5 whole square minus c. C is equal to minus 32 by 5 minus into minus plus 32 by 5 plus 32 by 5 under root minus whole square plus 4 by 5 whole square means 16 by 25 plus minus whole square plus 7 by 5 whole square means 49 by 25 plus 32 by 5 under root. R2 is equal to, you are taking LCM 25, 25, 5, LCM 25. 25 by 25, 116 the 16 plus 25 by 25, 149 the 49 plus 25 by 5, 32 the 32, 5 the 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 16, 160 under root. 16 plus 49, 65, 65 plus 160, 225 by 25 under root. 25 1 the, 25 9 the, root 9. Root 9 means 3. Therefore, radius of the second circle R2 is equal to 3. This is the center. This is the radius of the second circle. Again, find the C1, C2. C1, C2. C1 is equal to 2 comma 3. C2 is equal to 4 by 5 comma 7 by 5. Let us C1 x1 y1, C2 x2 y2. C1 C2 means the distance between the two centers of the given circles. The distance between the 2 points formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. C1 C2 is equal to x2 4 by 5 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 7 by 5 minus y1 3 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to here 5 LCM 4 minus 5 2s are 10 whole square plus here 5 LCM 7 minus 3 5s are 15 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to 4 minus 10 minus 6 by 5 whole square plus 7 minus 15 minus 8 by 5 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to minus whole square plus 6 square 36 by 5 square 25 minus whole square plus 8 square 64 by 25 under root. C1 C2 is equal to again LCM 25 36 plus 64 36 plus 64 100 by 25. C1 C2 is equal to 25 ones are 25 fours are root 4 means 2. This is the C1 C2 value. Observe that here clearly C1 C2 is equal to 2, R1 is equal to 5, R2 is equal to 3. R1 minus R2, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here C1 C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2. C1 C2 R1 minus R2. C1 C2 is equal to 2, R1 is equal to 5, R2 is equal to 3. C1 C2 2 is equal to 5 minus 3 2. So observe here clearly C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. Therefore the given two circles touch each other internally. The given two circles touch each other internally. Again, find the point of contact. Second part. Find the point of contact. C1 is equal to 2 comma 3. C2 is equal to 4 by 5 comma 7 by 5. Let C1 x1 y1, C2 x2 y2. R1 is to R2. Let n is to n. R1 is equal to m. R2 is equal to n. R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 3. If two circles touch each other internally, the point of contact is the external center of similitude. External center of similitude. This is the C1, this is the R1, this is the C2, this is the R2. Here C1, C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. If C1, C2 is equal to R1 minus R2, the given two circles touch each other internally. Second one is the point of contact. If the two circles touch each other internally, the point of contact is the external center of similitude. External center of similitude. External center of similitude is the point of contact. The point of contact. The point of contact Q is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. If the two circles touch each other internally, the point of contact is the external center of similitude. Here, Q divides the line segment C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. The point of contact Q is equal to M. M is equal to 5. X2. X2 is equal to 4 by 5 minus N. N is equal to 3. X1 is equal to 2 by M minus N. 5 minus 3, comma M. M is equal to 5. Y2 is equal to 7 by 5 minus N. N is equal to 3. Y1 is equal to 3. Whole divided by M minus N. 5 minus 3. Q is equal to 5, 5. Cancel. 4 minus 3 to the 6 by 5 minus 3, 2. 5, 5 cancel, 7 minus 3, 3 is 9 by 5 minus 3, 2 is equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2 by 2, 7 minus 9 minus 2 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. Q is equal to minus 1 by 1, minus 1, minus 1 by 1, minus 1. Therefore, Q is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. This is the point of contact. Therefore, the point of contact. The point of contact. Q is equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 1. This is the second part. Here, first part we prove that C1, C2 is equal to mod of R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2 if two circuits touch each other internally. Second part, find the point of contact. If the two circuits touch each other internally, the point of contact is called the external center of similitude. External center of similitude. This is the point of contact. This is the process for the two circles touch each other and find the point of contact. Thank you.